All right, let's go global now with Laddie Williams. Laddie comes in with the story, but Laddie, first of all, did you get the memo? I am Elon Musk's best friend now.
Okay.
Yeah.
Right.
So
you're his best friend now.
Show me your friend, I'll tell you who you are.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
All right, we're friends. Yeah. I'll take that. All right, before we get to Elon Musk now, we see unemployment has climbed to 5.1% in October, marking its highest level since the pandemic. According to official data, that's in the UK. The rise comes as higher interest rates and slowing economic growth has weighed on employers, with job vacancies continuing to ease and wage pressures beginning to cool. For policymakers, the figures add another layer of complexity, raising questions about how much longer the economy can absorb tight monetary conditions without deeper job losses. Also in the United Kingdom, we see they've secured a major new trade agreement with South Korea aimed at boosting jobs, exports, and economic growth. Announced by the UK government, the deal upgrades existing trade terms, expanding market access for British businesses while strengthening ties with one of Asia's most advanced economies. Officials say the agreement will support exporters across manufacturing, services, technology, as the UK continues its push to deepen trade relationships beyond Europe. Now we see British engineering giants, they've announced a £200 million interim share buyback, signaling confidence in its official position and cash generation. The move follows improved earnings momentum and ongoing restructuring efforts as the company continues its turnaround after years of operational and balance sheet pressure. Investors are now watching closely to see whether stronger performance can be sustained into the new year, and that's for Rolls-Royce right there. An online trading firm, IG Group, they posted a strong set of numbers, reporting 29% jump in revenue as market volatility drove higher client activity. The company also announced an extension of its share buyback program, underscoring confidence in its earning outlook and balance sheet strength. The update highlights how periods of heightened market uncertainty are continuing to benefit trading platforms, even as broader financial markets adjust to tighter monetary conditions. Then you see Moldova's economy, that's showing sign of renewed momentum. The country's gross domestic product expanded by 5.2% in the third quarter, according to official data. The stronger than expected growth was driven by improved performance in agriculture, services, domestic consumption, offering some relief after recent economic pressures. While challenges remain, the figures point to a firmer recovery path for one of Europe's smaller economies right there. Let's look at the crypto market now. The world's largest cryptocurrency slipped below $86,000, reflecting cautious sentiment ahead of this week's payrolls report. Analysts say risk appetite remains fragile, watching macroeconomic signals and Federal Reserve guidance for clues on the next move in interest rates. Cryptocurrency markets are showing heightened volatility, underscoring the sensitive balance between tech-driven demand and the broader economic uncertainty. I would say the Nasdaq is preparing to file for a near 24-hour trading in a move aimed at meeting rising global demand for U.S. equities. According to Reuters, the proposal will allow investors across Asia, Europe, and other time zones to trade American stocks almost around the clock, reflecting the growing international appetite for U.S. markets. If approved, the shift could reshape liquidity patterns. Also, today, see Elon Musk has rewritten the global wealth record books. According to Forbes, the Tesla and SpaceX founder has become the first person in history to amass a net worth of more than $600 billion. The milestone is being driven largely, by a sharp jump in SpaceX private valuation, cementing Musk's position as the world's richest individual by a historic margin. I guess that's why most of our Nigerian singers love to sing about Elon Musk. About Elon Musk.